back. As we are talking about controversial statements being made by politicians, let's add one more. And here is Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who has now replied to Rajnath Singh's remark that India wouldn't have to take POK by force and that the people there itself want to join India. The NC patron, however, continued to praise Pakistan's prowess, mentioning its atomic bomb, saying that Pakistan churiyan pehen kar nahi baitha hai. They too have atomic bombs. Even when it comes to his son, he has responded with skepticism when it comes to saying that if they want to, if India wants to take back POJK, then they should.
डिफेंस मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं तो करें, हम कौन से रोकने वाले हैं? हमें तो पहुंचेंगे नहीं। ये भी याद रखे वो भी चूड़ियां पहने हुए नहीं हैं। याद रखिएगा, उनके पास भी एटम बम है, ये याद रखिएगा। और अफसोस यह है कि वो एटम बम हमारे ऊपर ही गिरेगा।
इस बीच जो है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बीजेपी क्लेम कर रही है पीओजेके को वापस मर्ज करेंगे।
देखिए ना, मुझे ये बताएं, रोका किसने उनको? नहीं जनाब, हम कौन है रोकने वाले? लेकिन जो हिस्सा उनके पास पहले है उसको तो ठीक करें।
Now, even when to reactions coming in, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has reaffirmed that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is very much Indian territory.
I think you said come back into the country. POK has never been out of this country. It is part of this country. There is a resolution. I remind you, there is a resolution of the Indian Parliament that POK is very much a part of India. Now, how did other people get control? अब हो जाता है, when you have someone who is not a responsible custodian of a house, बाहर से कोई चोरी कर लेता है. Now, here you have allowed another country. It was because we did not pursue the vacation of Pakistan from these territories in the early years after independence that this very sorry state of affairs has continued. So, what will happen in the future? Very difficult to tell. But I always tell people one thing, that today POK is in the consciousness once again of the people of India. We had forgotten about it. We were made to forget about it. That it is today back. Definitely, the fact you are asking me a question is I think something which is very welcome.
Well, Pradeep, that is what Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar was saying, that there is no point in thinking that Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir is not a part of Indian territory. It is, very much is, but there are certain leaders who question the same.
So, two very important points which S. Jaishankar has made. One, he said the custodian of the house, if he's weak, he's not able to keep the house intact, this thing is bound to happen. He was talking, basically, he did not name. He was talking about the Nehruvian blunders. How in 1947 the forces were called back and the issue was taken to United Nations because he simply wanted to appease his friend Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah. Because Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah knew that once POK will become part of it, that Pahadi leadership will dominate and Sheikh Abdullah will lose relevance. And that's one of the reasons that today even Farooq Abdullah is trying horse. He knows once POK will become part of Jammu and Kashmir, then they will also lose relevance. Already the political ground has slipped under their feet. Then they will be totally irrelevant in this atmosphere. That's one of the reasons he is saying that they too have a bomb. He is trying to glorify atom bomb of Pakistan and saying that they are not wearing bangles. But reality is that already there is a resolution in 1994 that was passed in the parliament. A wrong narrative was set which was trying to prove a point that Jammu and Kashmir was dispute. If there is any dispute, that is Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and that is to be taken back, and that is the strong resolve that country is showing. And already Prime Minister Narendra Modi has moved in that direction because we saw that even Home Minister had said in the parliament.
Absolutely,
that
and that is a point that has been made very clear as far as Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. It is very much part of Indian territory which has been illegally occupied by Pakistan. Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now, and of course, 9 p.m. is the Mega Times Now exclusive coming up, the Prime Minister interview.
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM+ टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।